The neutral grip, seated, single-arm machine shoulder press is an exercise that allows you to train each side of the shoulders independently. This is a good option if one shoulder is weaker or less developed, since using a single arm instead of both may help correct muscle imbalances. If you have shoulder issues, using a neutral grip may also reduce stress on the shoulder joints. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust the seat of the shoulder press machine so the handles are level with your shoulder when seated. Sit on the machine with your back firmly against the backrest, keeping your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart for stability. Grip the handles with a neutral grip where your palms face inward towards your body. Engage your core, keep your back flat against the backrest, and ensure your head is aligned with your spine. Exhale, then begin the movement by pressing one handle up in a controlled manner, extending your arm fully while keeping your elbow slightly bent at the top to avoid locking out your joint. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower the handle back to the starting position without allowing the weight to rest at the bottom. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.